So this event, guys, is called HHT. It is essentially a massive charity ride out that involves hundreds of riders all doing trails and green laning. And essentially what it entails is us guys will facilitate people from all over the country, including yourself, if you want to be here, on a big trail ride where essentially you just follow the leader and have fun. They take place, I want to say every September, because it's September right now. The tickets are about £100, don't quote me on that. And I know some people might think, well, that's quite a lot, but this all goes to St Michael's Hospice. So if you do want to contribute whilst having a great day out, meeting great guys, having a great ride, get yourself a ticket for next year, get yourself booked in, because it sells out pretty damn fast, I'll tell you that much. Well guys, a quick update, the weather is proper moody right now. When we get to where we're going, there's going to be less rain, but at the minute we're getting absolutely soaked. The beauty of this coat is that the hood is big enough to fit over my entire helmet, so when it's getting proper wet, we can just chill in our own little tent, effectively. Whoa! So it's a bit squirmy, but as you can see, the weather has only got worse, so I'm not sure how much of this you can even see. Ooh. I'm struggling to see out my goggles a bit. Oh god, no. Way. It's a nice trail though, actually. I haven't done this one. Just have to be super focused because you can't see properly and everything is unforgivingly slippy. So as always, loose legs. A little single track right there. Turns you on, no, it doesn't turn you on, it wakes you up, it switches you on, yeah, it switches you on. Just to clarify, do not get turned on by single track ruts. That would be a very, very niche fetish right there. You never know that maybe someone crawl out the woodwork and be like, I like single track ruts. Maybe, maybe not. Whee! So what we're seeing right now is what I'm expecting to see a lot of today. These trails turning into streams. Ooh, shit. Oh, we're slipping. There we go, a bit of a view. Oh, that is why you do not look at the view in the wet. My back just slipped into the other rut. Then it slid out. Whoa, Jesus, I can't have to be switched on today. Like, we are sliding. Everyone's sliding. It's a slide fest. Good old slip and slide. A slide out instead of a ride out. Vehicular slippage. Okay, I'm now going to employ what is known as the hang back method. Actually quite good, you know. Practice your slow riding. If you can stay stood up, going at like 1 mile an hour, if that. Yeah, we're reading 0. Good little practice, good little drill. See, now we've made a gap where we can fly. Oh, I felt the front going then, you know. I certainly did, I did. Okay, straight away there, I slipped on a route. I was sat down, so I couldn't manage my weight, which means I couldn't correct it very easily. So there is tip number 1. Wait, no, I've already given a tip or 2. Tip or 2. There's a tip. Be stood up. even if it feels like, oh no, I need to be sat down because this is sketchy, blah 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 blah, it's more sketchy stood up. Remember that every time. I see other people are employing the hang back method. That is the way to do it, guys. If you want to attack something at speed, give yourself the room to do so. The tyre is doing amazingly well considering. I've said it before, I'll say it again, guys. Mitas EXXT. Oh, this is an interesting one. I like this. This is kind of quaint. You don't want to slip down there, I can tell you that much. Hello, boy. Okay, so we're back after lunch and we're back onto the rocky trails, which is fun because everybody's let their guard down. Fucking hell. Including me, evidently. You can have a nice pasty in 20 minutes stood on the side of the road, you lose your skills. There you go. Yeah, it's literally just a case of fucking send it, isn't it? Like.
So don't rev it or anything yet. Right, well, have got it? Everything needs to come over more first.
Oh, they are heavy, aren't they?
Yeah.
3, 2, 1. Never mind. Yeah. Yeah. And the mirrors, I can't see anything.
Well,
I like that side stand plate, that's good and big, isn't it?
yeah.
Mine just sinks in and falls over.
That's how it should be done.
Oh yeah, it's not raining, I've only just clocked that. Much preferred. That old barn is fucking sick. Right, we're gonna see if we can do it without touching the ground, without dabbing, because that makes it more interesting. So far good, so far good. It's about minute weight adjustment, but constant. Oh, whoa, whoa. We're going. So I'm gonna try and go slow so I don't catch up. Fuck! You can tell Ray's not on this ride because I don't have like my eyes full of mud and dirt. Oh, that ripped my shoulder. Tell you what, guys, these tyres, Mitas Terraforce EXXT rear tyre. I've abused this thing in every imaginable way. It's on about 4mm of tread and it's just absolutely eating up this slippy ground like it's nothing. When it's brand new, it's something else, but I'm really impressed by its performance this late into its lifespan. Like, when I need grip, I can get grip, and that's what's essential. It's now raining again. Alright guys, one of my all-time favourites coming up now. So, this is a stream. Oh, and not just because it's been raining, this is a full-time, fully employed stream. 365 days a year. And then here we have a nice long lane. Whoa, that's a tree. It's muddy and it's a bit of a climb and it's just fun. The key as always is to stand up. Maneuver your weight. Right, we're in my neck of the woods now, guys. And it's a very slippy neck indeed. Greased and oiled, one might say. Tractor, I'm riding a tractor. Get nervous about jumping stuff in the wet because your landing could go rather untoward. Okay, so I've just had some pretty bad news. The weird noise that I haven't been able to identify, turns out it's my rear wheel bearings. I'll get Ryan. Alright, so that guy's clutch is gone. I've just found out my wheel bearings have completely gone. So there's this horrible noise. And my back wheel is basically wobbling from side to side as I ride along. His clutch is gone again.
Oh, shit.
Well guys, we're headed back down to the bike that's broken down. See if we can get it recovered. My bike's noises are getting worse. I'm wondering if I'm gonna have to pull the plug on tomorrow if I can't get it fixed, basically. So that is sad news indeed. I was looking forward to doing the whole thing, but poor maintenance on my end has ruined it, so I only have myself to blame. This is proper slick. Getting muddy now. I actually really enjoy it, sliding around. Whoa! Ooh. Tokyo drifting here. Well guys, this has been a very wet and muddy day one of HHT. Will there be a day two? Pretty unlikely for me at least. Whoa! We're into the real slop now. Fucking understeer here, oversteer there. If you fancy coming and doing this yourself, just look it up, get a ticket. Okay, quick update guys. It wasn't my wheel bearings. It was every single one of my spokes that had completely come loose, and a load of them snapped off, such as this one. So that is me well and truly done. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.